We're out here at Creators Wanted in White House, Tennessee. Just getting these young high school students some exposure to what the manufacturing world is right now. Just letting them know there's plenty of opportunities in the world.
The Creators Experience allows a student to see their talents are very valuable, but sometimes they don't realize that they match the manufacturing so well. I don't think every student understands that that's a great option.
It's really important to us as a community that has a very diverse manufacturing base that is constantly seeking to fill that skills gap.
This event right here has been a good eye-opener for students to show them the different things in manufacturing. It's a whole world in itself.
They're never going to have this type of opportunity in the classroom, but to be able to walk through something like this and see advanced manufacturing is more than just a trade. It's a future, it's a career, it's much more than that.